Bernabé Construction Industrial Incorporated, Purdue University for Nurses, Construct Brand Names Windows and Doors Smart Masonry, Manel's Leather Goods, Scandinavian Straight Graphic Incorporated, Academia del Señor Nazareno, Alpha Cargo, and Grateful Buildings.
Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Today, we recall in tender fashion what the Master did and said on the night before he died at the Last Supper Passover meal. He showed his love to the end, and that love is still shown to us in the Blessed Sacrament. The Healing Eucharist Incorporated and the SBD Secretariat for Social Communications in cooperation with ABS-CBN, Zest Air Corporation, Beam Toothpaste, Zest Air, Philippine Daily Inquirer, St. Peter Life Plan and Chapels, Balikbayan Handicrafts, Reyes Hair Cutters, Bernabé Construction and Industrial Incorporated, Review University for Nurses, Construct Bradnam's Windows and Doors Smart Masonry, Manel's Leather Goods, Scan Livingstone Graphic Incorporated, Academia del Señor Nazareno, and Alpha Cargo celebrate with you this Holy Mass. Our Mass presider is Reverend Father Lino Nicasio SVD, to be concelebrated by Reverend Father Glenn Paul M. Gomez SVD. Let us all rise and start our celebration.
Wala ka naman oh.